In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Trello cards using a helpful third-party power-up. Whether you're organizing overlapping tasks or consolidating duplicate cards, this guide will help you streamline your workflow with ease. Let's dive right in. To begin with, make sure you're logged into your Trello account and open the board where you want to activate card merging. This is your starting point. Once inside your Trello board, your next stop should be the Power-Up section. Now, if you're not familiar with it, consider the Power-Ups section as Trello's feature hub. It's where you can add all sorts of extra tools and integrations that enhance what your boards can already do. Once you're in the Power-Ups menu, you'll want to look for the Add Power-Ups button. This option takes you straight to Trello's Power-Up Marketplace. Here, you can browse through a variety of tools, but we're only interested in a particular one today. In the search bar, type in Send Board. What you're looking for now is Email for Trello. This specific tool will help us unlock some advanced features, including card merging. When you find it, go ahead and click Add to install the Power-Up on your board. You'll need to do this a couple of times, first to select it and then to confirm the installation. Once your installation is sorted, it's time to set up Send Board. You'll see a Quick Start option right after installation. Clicking this will launch the initial setup process. Follow this up by selecting Set Up My Account. This step is essential because it ensures your board is properly linked to SendBoard, getting it ready for any further customization you might want. After your setup hits the finish line, you can feel free to close the setup window. Now, going back to your Trello board, pick any card and open it. You'll notice a new Send Board button in the card menu. Click on it and you'll unlock a new set of options. We are particularly interested in Edit Power-Up settings. This is your control panel for personalizing how SendBoard works within Trello. Here, you'll need to enter your email address. Doing so will link your Trello account to SendBoard, allowing access to personalized settings. Click on Continue to Settings when you're ready to proceed. Finally, to activate the card merge feature, navigate to the Change Plan section of the settings. You'll see different plans available, but the one you want is the Essential Plan. This is the plan that includes card merging. Select Choose Plan to activate your subscription. Once everything is confirmed, your Trello board is now equipped with the card merging functionality. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated SendBoard and activated card merging in Trello. This tool will help you consolidate similar tasks, reduce clutter, and keep your boards organized. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, happy organizing!